Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to decorate the tree. We have a 6-foot tree and we're going to be using cool white lights and colours of white and silver. We're going to keep it really simple. We'll need about 200 decorations to make it look stunning. So let's get started. This is where we get to decorate the tree. As you can see, I've chosen a traditional 6-foot pine. It's really lush and thick, so it's going to give us a great base for our decorating. But we need to do some important prep work first. We need to make sure that we fluff up every one of the branches so that we have the perfect conical shape on which to decorate. We also need to make sure where the lights are, that they are not visible. We don't want any cords showing, we just want the magic of the lights to shine through. I'm going to be basing my design on these plain baubles. I'm using silver and white today, and these are just in the blister packs from Kmart. They're 6 centimetres and 8 centimetres, and they range from $2.50 to $4 a pack. They'll be the basis, and then I'll add some glamour afterwards. The first thing I do when I get these baubles is cut off the little cotton hook that comes with them. They don't seem to hang nicely with those, and I think they detract from the overall look. So I replace them with these little metal hooks. I'm using green today, of course, but they do come in a variety of colours. And the reason I do that is because you can manipulate them to sit exactly where you want them, and it gives you a far more polished look. While you weren't looking, I've started the design. I've just started with 50 of the various shades of silver baubles in the 8 centimetre size. So now I've added 30 or so of the smaller 6 centimetre in white. So you can see it's starting to take shape, and you'll notice that they're not all on the outside edge. It's really important to start putting some on the inner branches because that'll give you the depth. Now I've added another 25 or so small baubles, the 6 centimetres in the matching silver. Most of those have gone on the inner branches to give it an extra depth, and now I'll add the finishing touches. To complete the tree, I've added about 50 of these really glitzy bows. These are really pretty and they really enhance the look of the tree. So we've used Kmart baubles, and the bows came from the reject shop. So a very inexpensive way to decorate a really simple, but I'm sure you'll agree, very elegant tree. So here is our completed product. So now that it's decorated and looking great, we can move on to the tree topper and the base. There are a variety of options there, so until next time, happy decorating!